Tailoring your Crocs, a safe approach.
Hello Croc enthusiasts! Today we're going to tackle a question many of you have asked: can you cut or trim your Crocs to make them smaller? While it's typically best to ensure you have the correct size from the get-go, we understand that sometimes you might need to make adjustments. Let's explore how to safely trim your Crocs without compromising their functionality and comfort.
Is it safe to cut my Crocs?
Firstly, let's clarify one thing. Crocs are not designed to be cut or trimmed. They're made from a proprietary foam resin called Croslite, which makes them lightweight and comfortable. When you cut into the material, you risk damaging this comfort factor and could even make the shoes unusable. However, if your Crocs are slightly too big and you're unable to exchange them for the correct size, you may be able to make minor adjustments carefully.
What tools will I need?
If you decide to proceed, you'll need some specific tools to make the process safer and more precise: a sharp knife or a pair of scissors. Ensure they're clean to avoid staining or damaging the Crocs. A marker. You'll use this to mark the area you plan to cut. Sandpaper, medium grit. This will be used to smooth the edges after cutting.
How to safely trim your Crocs?
Before you start, remember to work slowly and carefully to avoid accidents. Here are the steps. 1. Mark the cut. Using your marker, draw a line where you want to cut the shoe. This should only be a small amount. It's better to cut too little than too much. 2. Make the cut. Using your sharp knife or scissors, carefully follow the line you drew. Apply even pressure and try to make the cut as smooth as possible. 3. Smooth the edges. After you've made the cut, you'll likely have rough edges. Using your sandpaper, carefully smooth these down until they're no longer sharp.
What are the risks?
By cutting your Crocs, you assume a number of risks. Personal injury. Sharp tools can cause injury if not used properly. Always take your time and use caution. Damage to the shoes. If you cut too much off, the shoes might become unwearable. Voided warranty. Altering the shoes in this way will likely void any warranty from the manufacturer. In conclusion, while it's possible to cut your Crocs to make them smaller, it's not recommended due to the associated risks. It's always best to get the correct size to ensure maximum comfort and longevity. However, if you decide to proceed, make sure to do it carefully and at your own risk. Stay safe and enjoy your tailored Crocs.